Welcome to Japanese Cooking 101. Today we are making green tea cookies. Green tea is a very popular flavor for Japanese sweets. It is used in many sweets like cakes, ice cream, candies, and chocolates. It goes really well with milk products. So we are not so surprised that a popular way to have green tea here is green tea latte. It's so good. So what goes great with latte? Cookies. Let's get started. Here are the ingredients. We have some unsalted butter, a couple of egg yolks, milk, green tea powder. We use 2 different sugar, some powdered sugar and granulated sugar, and 2 different flour. We use some cake flour and cornstarch. So you can guess this is not so typical cookies that you are used to. It's more powdery, sort of melt in your mouth texture, and not overly sweet. You'll see. For exact measurement of the ingredients, please see our website, JapaneseCooking101.com. First, we combine the flour. Here we have cake flour and cornstarch and add some green tea powder and mix it well and shift it through. Now we cream the butter. Make sure the butter is at room temperature. Put the butter in a bowl of the standing mixer and mix until it's creamy. Add some powdered sugar and continue to mix for about a minute until the butter is combined with the powdered sugar. Now scrape the bottom of the bowl and add the granulated sugar this time. And keep going until it's all mixed and creamy. Now add egg yolks, one at a time. The second one goes in. And keep mixing until it's well blended. Add milk. And continue mixing. You should mix all of the wet ingredients well at this point because once you put the dry ingredients, you don't want to overmix it. Finally, we add the flour mixture that we shifted earlier all at once. And mix just until everything is put together this time. Just like that. Now, transfer the dough onto the parchment paper and wrap it up and rest in the refrigerator for 30 to 60 minutes. Now take the dough out and cut it in half and work in 2 batches. You should keep the other one in the fridge until you are ready to use it. When you are rolling the dough out, you want to make sure to use some flour around the surface so that the dough doesn't stick. Also, now is a good time to start preheating the oven. 350 degrees Fahrenheit, which is about 175 degrees Celsius. Rolling out the dough. Flour the surface so that it doesn't stick. And change the direction sometimes. And roll it out until it's about 1/4 inch thick. And use your favorite cookie cutter and cut out the cookies. And transfer to the cookie sheet. And bake in preheated oven for 10 to 13 minutes until the edges are lightly browned. Look at that. And transfer to the wire rack and let it cool completely. These cookies are great as it is, but you can also decorate it with some melted chocolate like that. This one is with strawberry chocolate. Isn't that pretty? Just love the green tea flavor. Perfect little treats for tea time. 美味しい。